So the car, diesel, MMT Semi-Automatic. What he did? He changed the engine, and went to test drive, and say, look, the clutch is slipping. Come back, and what them do? Them do only calibration, nothing else, just calibration. And neutral start flashing, not working. Them say gearbox fault. What the F the gearbox fault, huh? Try to do. Take the computer, check what the signal from the sensor. Try to move for clutch actuator. Make the clamp position. Just try to calibrate it. Nothing else. Look, what happens when the neutral flashing? Neutral flashing, it means that the clutch cannot be calibrated. So need to adjust the clutch actuator in clamp position. Make with no gap. Make the shaft fully out in this model. In the smallest, fully inside. Make calibration again. Check by computer if you have signal from gearbox. If no signal. I checked, it was no signal. So it means or the clutch fully dead, or you have problem like this. And now I will show you what the problem. Look at this. This is the sensor in gearbox that feeling when the clutch start moving, and this sensor making the standby point. It making calibration for the clutch. And when it has dust like this, it's not good signal and cannot do calibration. Now I will clean the sensor. I put another one that the oil will no coming out. I will clean it, we'll put it back, and we'll make the calibration again, and we will see. Because until now the neutral flashing, the car not working. So you got it. Just need to think, not just calibration not going, what to do, not working. Think. You have computer and you have your head. Okay, look what need to check in the computer. Engine revolution, input revolution, clutch position. What it mean? Engine revolution, and this is the gearbox, this revolution of the gearbox. When you're doing the calibration, clutch actuator moving and release the clutch, and here start revolution. And like this, he finding the standby point, the touch point of the clutch. If you have no signal of the time of calibration, it's mean or sensor in gearbox not connected, or wire broken, or the sensor has some dust of steel, some garbage, okay, need to clean it. And if you're making calibration, you have engine revolution and input revolution, it means that the clutch not released, or clutch actuator not installed correct, or clutch actuator maybe not good pushing the clutch. This you can find and you can try to find the problem. Or one more time, but it's very rare situation when the clutch is fully dead or disc is fully cut, as also will no signal. But it's very, if the car was driving before and then it's not doing the calibration, as something wrong, you can understand by this graph. The gearbox not moving, engine moving, the clutch actuator in this position. I'm start moving, look at this. Engine, I did little gas. Gearbox. Oh, you see? Gearbox start moving, clutch actuator moving to this way. All exactly understand.